Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, Euro USD, then please do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the forex chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. Before I proceed, I would like to talk about DXY. If you have been watching my videos, then you know it very well that I focus on DXY a lot because I believe that if you trade on USD pairs, then you must be knowing the body language of DXY, the important levels of DXY. So the last traded price of DXY is 98.22. This is the last traded price, and yesterday. According to expectation, DXY took support around 98 and it bounced. Okay, but the problem is that though it bounced, but it did not go to the previous high. Rather, it reversed from the 98.50 level. So it made a lower high. It made a lower high here, and lower high generally signifies the rise in increase of sellers. Okay, so on Monday, if DXY comes to the level of 98 again, we will have to observe whether it is able to hold a level or not. Okay, if it bounces again, well and good. But if due to rise and increase of selling pressure, if DXY fails to hold the 98 level, then the next support for DXY will be 97.75. Okay, so this is our first level, this is our second level, and hopefully under normal market circumstances, yes, I'm using the word under normal market circumstances because we know that due to the war between Russia and Ukraine, there has been crazy stuff going on lately. So if market comes down to the 97.75, DXY will get the second support and ultimate support at 97.40. So these are the strong support zone for the DXY. And in case it goes up, then obviously 98.50 will act as a minor resistance, not a very strong resistance. And this is the ultimate resistance for DXY. But overall, the structure of DXY is still intact. In case it breaks the level of 97.40, 97 level, then we can consider it as a trend reversal. But as long as DXY is trading above the 200 moving average, as long as it is trading above the 97 level, DXY is very much towards the upside. And on Monday, if we look at the forex factory calendar here, then we can see that Fed Chair Powell speaks. So again, a market driving event coming up. So my dear friends, be careful. So be careful and please use proper stop loss and risk management. Okay, during the event. As we all know that this is a huge market driving event, there will be huge volatility in the market. So please be careful. Now let's talk about GBP USD. So as we all know that GBP USD has been facing selling pressure, a lot of selling pressure for the last couple of days. But if we just observe the present trend of GBP USD here, okay, if we just focus on the present trend of GBP USD here, then we can see that yes, overall trend of GBP USD is very much towards the downside. But right now you can see that the market is sideways, and as we all know, in sideways market, the area of value is at both support and at the resistance. So you can take trades at the support as well as resistance. So this kind of market is not much complicated. Okay, so the most important support zone is 1.3, 1.2970. This is the most important support zone for the market. In case something bad happens to GBP USD again, if you see heavy selling on pound dollar again, we can hope that this level will provide the required support to the market and we can expect a reversal from here. If it reverses, we can obviously go for a buy position. And on the other hand, we can see that on Friday, market tried to go up but it failed. So the resistance zone is still very much intact, not only because of these two levels here, but this zone also belongs to the weekly chart, and as we all know that support and resistance level from the higher time frame are very strong enough and they are very much reliable. So market will be facing the selling pressure around this level again. So if on Monday, Tuesday, if you see market is unable to cross the resistance, if you see price being rejected from above at the resistance zone, you can definitely take a sell position. But mere dosto, my dear friends, keep in mind observation will be very important. No level in the market is permanent. So observe it first. If you see selling pressure is there, go for a sell. If you see market is trying to break the level, then wait and watch. Because you see, on Monday, um, after the speech, after the speech of Jerome Powell, if you see market breaking the resistance and going up, then do not buy immediately. As I said, this resistance belongs to the weekly chart. So wait for some time, wait for 1 or 2 hours and just observe the market and see how the market is doing above the resistance. Okay. After 1 or 2 hours, if you see that market is trading comfortably, okay, then only you will get the confirmation that the resistance has become the new support. Okay. Until and unless you get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support, do not take a buy above 1.3230. Once you get the confirmation, yes, market is trading comfortably, then take a buy. Otherwise, this is still a resistance, this is still a support. And never forget, market is very much towards the downside. The overall trend is very much towards the downside, and as we all know that things are also not very going well with GBP USD right now. So please be careful. And lastly, whatever you do, please follow strict risk management, proper risk management and stop loss. Because see, as we all know that market is very volatile for the last couple of days, so anything bad may happen also. You must be protecting your capital at any point of time. And be a trader, as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, so please be careful with the capital and use proper stop loss. See, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. For my wrong analysis, you should not be losing your whole capital. Okay, risk 1%, 2%, that's well and good. Okay, so these are the levels that I see as important for GBP USD. For day trading purpose, you can also rely on 1.3100. Yes, for day traders, okay, 1.3100 can be a support level. On lower time frame, if you see price bouncing from 1.3100 level, this level, you can also take a buy position. But keep in mind, you get the confirmation in the form of a hammer pattern, good price rejection from below, bullish pin bar. Okay, once you get a confirmation that key market is trying to take support around 1.3100, then only take the position. Otherwise, these two are the only important levels or the most trustworthy levels in the market right now. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.